Hey guys, how's it going? I've just merged in the changes for the new UI, and I wanted to show you what it looks like and how to use it. So all your old apps are not changed. They'll still be the way they always were. But if you want to build a new app, it has the new UI that you can use. And this is more similar to Canva or something like Retool if you've used that before, in that it's a drag and drop. So let's quickly build something that basically takes the URL of a company website and talks about the strengths and weaknesses of the business. So I think it's kind of cool that we can do that. But let's put a web URL input here, and let's make this bigger by doing this. And one thing you might potentially find slightly irritating is this drawer on the right that pops open. You're going to need this though to put the variable name now instead of clicking on the thing before in the previous version. So enter in a variable name. Let's just call this URL. You can also put the label here, and let's call this website URL. And maybe for the placeholder, type in enter a company URL, and then just close it. Now, if we wanted to delete this, we can just click this trash can here. And this is the only field that's required, so we've added that in. And then we need to add a response to show up, right? And there's like a flickering effect. I'm not exactly sure why that's the case, but we can fix that later. So let's also move this up some. Let's put this here. And for like text areas like the response and the text area, to make the height bigger, we can do number of rows and put that in 12, I guess. Maybe also make this bigger as well, and move this. And at any time you can also preview it by just clicking preview. It's probably a bit too big, but you get the idea. And then let's add a button for submit. So put this here. Yeah, I guess I gotta fix that flickering, and let's make this big like this. And let's put a label here again as well. AI response, and that looks good. So we just need to do the AI logic, which is the same as last time, or the same as the previous version. So just select this. The temperature is a measure of how random it is. We're just gonna say you are a helpful business analyst, and then we can do based on the website content, and then put the variable name in. So it's getting all the website content from this URL. Give some strengths and weaknesses of the business. So save that, should be good. And we can go ahead and test this, and let's find a URL that we can do. We can do this company, Super Blog. It's just a blogging platform. Got funded by Adobe recently, which is kind of wild. So let's click this and see what happens. And it should be working some logic in the background. And one thing you might notice that's different from the previous version is the text doesn't expand. We can add that in. Just at the moment when you do that, it goes over the components below, so it might go over this. I mean, you could easily get around that just by putting this at the bottom. But let me know if that's something you want. We can easily change that. But yeah, it's talking about the strengths, it's talking about the weaknesses, and you can also go ahead and style it like previously. Just change the button color to, I guess, green. And yeah, you'll see that it's changed. So let's go ahead and save that, and you can share it as per usual. We should add a heading and some text as well, but you kind of get the idea of how to use this. So let me know what you want to see improved, what you want to see changed. I'm guessing one thing is we can do is stop the flickering, and maybe like have the option to pin this so that it doesn't always open whenever you click a new element. But apart from that, let me know your feedback and what you need to have improved. So yeah, thanks so much, and hopefully that was helpful. Thanks, bye.